Welcome to GOF POS, the complete point of sale system for your shop. In this series, we will walk through every single feature step by step. Let's start with a quick overview of what GOF POS can do. GOF POS runs on your Windows, Mac, or Linux computer as a full desktop app. And it works offline. Even with no internet, you can keep selling. Your data is saved safely on your device. The moment you are back online, everything syncs to the cloud automatically. There is also a mobile app for Android, so you can sell on the go. At the heart of the system is the sales screen. Add products with a click or a barcode scan. Take cash, card, Jazz Cash, or Easy Paisa, and print a receipt in seconds. Behind the counter, you manage your full product catalog with categories, prices, stock levels, and low stock alerts. You can add customers, suppliers, and record purchases to keep your inventory up to date. Every cashier works inside a shift, so your cash drawer is always balanced at the end of the day. GOF POS also handles digital services, mobile easy load, packages, and cash in or cash out for Jazz Cash and Easy Paisa wallets. Your dashboard shows today's sales, top products, and low stock at a glance. And the report center gives you sales, inventory, profit and loss, and more, ready to export. Add your team and give each staff member exactly the access they need. As your business grows, you can upgrade your plan anytime to unlock more, including online cloud backup. That is GOF POS, everything you need to run your shop in one place. In the next videos, we will set it up together and master every feature. Let's get started.